right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, I feel dirty. As the title says, yep, I used an air impact. Oh my God, I'm slumming it. All jokes aside, I actually did use this today. The reason is behind the camera, a 3-valve 5.4 Expedition with original plug. And if you're familiar with that vehicle, you know the plugs tend to stick in there. 168,000 miles. Now, I'm not going to call out the person that put one coil in it and did not change the plug, but why? Put plugs in it. At some point in the vehicle's history, somebody put a Denso coil in place of the factory coil, which is fine, but didn't change the plug. In case you don't know, let me explain the trick to getting these spark plugs out when they're the original and they're very prone to break. The newer update plugs, well, if you break those, good luck, because they are a nightmare to get out. But the older ones, the trick is you get it rocket hot, the engine, pound on it, get it hot as hell, and then pull it in as quickly as you can. Take a air impact and just impact them out. Boom, boom, boom. And what I do is I do the one side first, do the plugs on that side, get it hot again, and then do the other side. That way they stay nice and hot. And I got all 8 out, none of them broke. They were all worn all out. And out of the 8 spark plugs, 6 of them showed carbon tracking. Now, it was only registering a misfire on cylinder number 3, but they were worn out. So on these vehicles, that's the trick. That's why I used an air impact. But anyway, that's the secret to those vehicles, if you want to know the truth, is pull out an air impact and just yank them till they come out. If they do break, they're really easy to extract. The first one I broke with this method, when I put in the Lyle tool, I thought I was not grabbing it. No, it turned out it grabbed it fine and just pulled it out. The ones I did by hand, the Ford method, stupid, they were a nightmare getting out. They were like trying to press out a bearing kind of press fit. So, air tools are not dead. They're just a lot less useful nowadays. So, anyway, just figured you'd get a laugh out of me using a air impact. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.